Rob Stone, 2 damn phones. Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam.
Yo, what's up, guys? It is Killer Crossover here, and today this is my first video, and today I will be opening up some packs for you guys. Like, I'm gonna get on Pack Simulator and see what I all get. Yeah, let's get on to this and let's see what I get and what all good things I get. So, we'll be doing the Michael Jordan pack. I'll have it as my shooting guard. Alright, we'll start off with the silver packs and go on. So let's see what I get. Ooh, not too bad. Let's get a power forward. Okay. Let's see what else. We already have power forwards. So I'm just gonna get another one because all these other cards are bad. I'm not getting no bronze. There's no way. Ooh, a center. I might get I'm getting Shaquille O'Neal. Let's go, man. So, just hurry up and open these. Not gonna make this video long. We already have a center. Already have a power forward. Don't have a small forward. So we need a small forward. Ooh, DeMarco Cousins as a center, but I think we already have a center. Yeah, we already have one. We're gonna go with, just because we already have a power forward, we're gonna go with the small forward. I think we already have a small forward too. Yeah, we do, but it's a silver, so we are good. Hurry up and open these. Jeremy Lin, let's go!